Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how to connect the Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so what you want to do first, you want to press the phone button on the dashboard once. And when you do that, first the system will try to connect to the paired phone. If you don't have any phone in the system, you will get directly into the Bluetooth menu. But if you have a paired phone which is not active at the moment, you will get the message connecting here. And it will look like the system is stuck. So what you want to do then, you just press right or left button and you will get to this same menu. Now first you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your vehicle, so just scroll through the menu options with right or left buttons and set Bluetooth on or off. This here is the OK button, so just press it in, off. Now you can scroll this as well to on and then press OK, and now Bluetooth is turned on. And now again you have to get back into the same menu and you want to select add Bluetooth device and press OK right here.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
And now you will get the message find sync, and once you press OK, the Ford Sync will start looking for a Bluetooth phone. And now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone.
Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
Now this is the PIN which you will have to enter on your phone once you find this device, this car. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. And once you do that, this will get you to the Bluetooth menu. Now you want to scroll all the way down to available devices, and here Ford Sync should show up. Okay, getting device name, so that's the one you want to press onto the sync and it will start the pairing process. And now you will enter the PIN from the vehicle's dashboard menu, so 751554 and pair. And that's it.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And now you have a couple of questions. If you want the vehicle to access your messages, you can allow or deny. It's up to you. I will deny it. And now your phone should be ready to use on your vehicle. Once that is connected, you will get a question, set as primary phone, yes or no. So you can choose it yes or no. I will say no. Download phone book from the phone, that's also up to you. I will say no. And that's it. Now you should be able to make phone calls. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.